is for water more than for oil. So the time is right for all of us to initiate.
Just almost 32 years back, my grandfather telling me the next world war would be for water fisheries.
Wow, look at that.
It was 32 years back.
And that's so true, because you can live without using your car, but you cannot live without water, right? And people don't realize this, and they are actually in California when the wildfires, I was there. I had $200 million homes with everything, and you're talking, imagine how much stuff you have in your homes, all burned to ashes with nothing. So this is a very, please, you can join us. Yeah. So the reason why this is a power group to initiate, implement, integrate, and enforce the values. And I think these are very primal values that we bring, but it's something that everybody needs to know. And what better way than to, start with something so beautiful and celebration. And we are going back to Washington, and in fact, Dr. Fisher is having a whole congregation at the National Press Club on the same. So what we are doing now will be a part of what we show as a film at the National Press Club as well. So yeah, it's a good movement, but it's also a very necessary movement. So I'm so happy, and thanks to Carol and the team that all of you have come to join this, I think, much needed movement.
Thanks for having us.
It's our pleasure.
Very much needed.
Thank you. Yes, just relax, and then Dr. Fisher. Anuji, why don't you, you should meet Dr. Fisher. In fact, he is setting up the largest bone marrow registry.
Congratulations for your time.
Currently, it's
I saw you.
invited. We are doing an event at the park. Thank you so much.
Whatever.
What is letter inviting you? And please sit so that we gracious who have done this. Which is still there. We have 2 meetings extra. Finished that, and we took a 6 a.m. flight.
For the airline industry, their cost is as big as the cheap carriers, but their service is not as good as the easy carriers.
Yeah, one with that. You can use it.
उड़ाइए से उड़ाइए और रंग भर से वाह 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 होली खेले रघुवीरा होली खेले पाछो करूँ जा सर पाछो एक बार सर सर once more sir
Kidding me. So So we were just in Chennai yesterday. We were with Oh my God, I love this. You are doing such a phenomenal job. But have you already performed in Delhi?
Sanjana हो यार यहाँ बहुत अच्छी है सर
अच्छा लाइट है
थोड़ा हाथ में
थैंक यू मैम
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू मैम एनी अदर
Ladies, and finally we meet. So, I heard we had a decoration. We were talking then. It was such a pleasure. Please welcome. Please be there. We're going to start with the whole event. Please sit. We're going to get everything going. Thank you so much.
India and Korea culture together. Nowadays he loves Korean culture, but he says Indian and Korean is so beautiful.
भाई कैमरा साइड थोड़ा पीछे
यहाँ पे देखिए
कहाँ
थोड़ा सा होली उड़ाइए
होली उड़ाइए होली कैसे उड़ाएंगे रे बाबा कुछ भी कुछ सुधा मैम लीजिए ना टोकरी खुलो वाली
लीजिए टोकरी लीजिए
हाँ हाँ थोड़ी सी
थोड़ा सा लीजिए देखिए कैमरा वाला
आप टोकरी लेके एक बार टोकरी एक बार हाँ लीजिए वाओ
साइड थोड़ा कैमरा
स्टार्ट फ्रॉम
साइड कैमरा नीचे
एक बार हमारे और भी यस यस मैम क्या बात है सुंदर एक बार फूल उड़ाइए ऐसे ही 2-3 ज़्यादा नहीं 2-4 फूल
फुल उड़ाइए
हाँ बस ऐसे वाह वाह
थैंक यू
धन्यवाद मैम कितने अच्छे हैं आप चलिए आइए सेम आपको भी करना मैम आफ्टर या यस
जी
मैम
जी
चलिए एक मिनट मैम हाँ ये ला जैसे जैसे सामने वाला खिलवाड़ जो जैसे सामने वाला खिलवाड़ है हमको तो हम तो खेल लेंगे जैसे मैम उठाइए मैम चलिए वाह ये लाल रंग कब अनविच कैमरा ओके मैम धन्यवाद थैंक यू हैप्पी होली आप कैसे खेलते होली में
अभी खेल के तो देखा
ऐसे ही खेलते हैं
सच ना यार आंसर बोलो फिर मैं कैमरा
ये मोटा भाई
ब्रो 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 हमको तो थैंक यू
यस
यस लाइट लगा अच्छा थैंक यू लगा अच्छा है
हैप्पी होली
कौन कथा है ये
अनिल जी आइए यस
अनिल सेंटर में
Happy Holi.
So everyone this camera this call
Dr. Fisher, please join us. Yes. I think he should be in the middle. You are the tallest.
so
सर यहाँ देखिए सर सामने
अरे भाई साहब
This way?
yeah
Okay.
start from here and then you
यस ओके सर
hold on everyone
भाई तुम्हारे साथ रखो शांति है
हाँ
चॉकलेट सेंटर मैम
सर सामने ओके सर
थैंक यू
मैम वो लीजिए ना वो फूलों वाला या टोकरी या
There's a basket out.
यस बास्केट हाँ चलिए यस आइए मैम आइए
Come, please. Come join us. Yes. Okay. Anybody that we are missing?
थोड़ा मोबाइल पीछे साइड पीछे ले
चलिए
We throw the flower.
मुझे फुल फ्रेम ले रहा है
सर चलेगा सर
Better रहेगा ना?
यस सर यस
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
एक बार फिर
कैमरा पे
हैप्पी होली
Happy Holi!
बेटे होटल का काम बढ़ गया और कुछ नहीं
अगेन मैम अगेन वंस मोर
चलिए सर हैप्पी होली
Does everybody have? Everyone. Ready?
हैप्पी होली चलिए
कैमरा
यस सर एक साथ चलिए एक साथ
अच्छा इधर आने वाला पूरा
या
मजा आएगा फिर
You're missing. Come.
ये कौन था जब कर रहे
Hi. Happy Holi.
चलिए सर
Ankita, nice meeting you guys. To them as well.
रुकिए एक साथ सब एक साथ
There you go.
रुकिए सर एक साथ
उनको बोलना पीछे आने के लिए भाई पीछे आ जाओ आप लोग
चलिए,
का
रोल।
हाथ आ रहा है
Okay.
हैप्पी होली
1, 2, 3. Happy Holi!
पूरा होटल का काम ला दिया लोग का
I think you got it all? Yes?
Yes.
Enough for all of you guys.
थैंक यू हैप्पी होली आ गया मैं मेरी तरफ से हैप्पी होली पूरा है
So much. Happy Holi, guys. Yes.
चलिए ठकती भाई आगे शांति रखो सारा कुछ शांति यस भाई
शॉर्ट चालू है क्या
बस भाई बस
हटा यार बीच में से। ए भाई पीछे आके दो यार प्लीज ओ भाई मोबाइल वाले भाई
बस पापा बस
मोबाइल वाले भाई
मोदी मोदी अरे बस मेरे भाई इतना नहीं कहते हो
उधर से बैकड्रॉप पे
Please come here. Okay, ready? Okay, one more guys. Okay. Ready? Everybody has smiles? Yes. You come this way. Come this way. Okay. Okay, ready?
रील के लिए
1, 2, 3. Happy Holi!
हैप्पी होली
Happy Holi!
ऐसा नहीं करो एक बार करो करके दिखाओ
ओ दादा कैमरामैन ओ दादा
ओ रंग बरसे भीगे फूलों वाली
ए ब्रो आप लोग पीछे आओ ना प्लीज
बैठ जाओ पीछे आओ शिवानी जी यहाँ देखिए शिवानी मैम यहाँ देखिए
आपका पूरा माइक ही है। ये कैमरामैन
Ready?
या ये रेडी मैम यस मैम
ए लिसन क्या
हैप्पी होली
Okay, just a little.
ओ यस बोलो
Come this way. Just girls, yes.
शिवानी मैम सेंटर में है
Okay?
पैसा पैसा कैमरा क्या लो आप लोग पीछे आओ ना, ये शायद इन लोगों को भी पीछे लेना है, बीच में आ रहे पूरे के पूरे।
1, 2, 3.
भाई पीछे आ जाओ थोड़ा।
वाह
वो आपको पूरा माइक मेरे कैमरे में वही बात वो ऊपर वाली खेलने के बाद पानी में
टिंकू भाई के कितना बजे है?
अरे भाई लोग, ओ भाई लोग, आप लोग यहाँ से लो ना पीछे, पूरे कैमरे में आ रहे हैं भाई लोग। वो वाइट रेड शर्ट को तो बोल के ये सुनने में नहीं जा रहा भाई, पूरे कैमरे में भाई, राइट से पूरा कैमरे में तुम लोग इधर ही आ जाओ लाइन में हमारे साथ।
ये बुक
बिनू कैमरा ऑन करना, कैमरा
Shivani is solo. Yes, ma'am. Look some more. Ma'am, look some more, ma'am. Ma'am, look some more.
सामने देखिए, सामने देखिए।
Some more. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, once again. Ma'am, Simon, go back. Ma'am, go back. Back side, थोड़ा बस हाँ. Either Simon, go back. Yes.
Hi, good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma'am.
Welcome. Welcome to H2O movement, the special Fulowali Holi. And we are having the best Holi possible, but with an ethical sense to it. We are playing with flowers and saving water, no chemicals, and at the end of the day, no harm to the environment or to the animals. So it's a very special Holi. Enjoy the festival. आप लोग जितना मर्जी होली खेल सकते हैं, but थोड़ा वैल्यू से एथिकली होली खेलो, बिना पानी वेस्ट करते हुए, बिना केमिकल कलर्स यूज करते हुए, एंड अबव ऑल कितने जानवर और एनवायरनमेंट को इस चीज से नुकसान हो जाता है।
Yes, yes.
तो अगर हम सब मिलके थोड़ा सा बदलाव ला सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं? So to that, Fulowali Holi begins today. Thank you, everybody. I want to, of course, first of all, thank the Hotel and Restaurant Association. Himanshu ji, please join us here. Everybody, give them a big hand because in Bombay and out here. Thank you so much, and thank you for being here. And next, I want to specially thank our supporter. हर जगह पानी के लिए हमारा CSR supporter रहा है Bisleri, and I want to thank them for being there every step of the way. So thank you. And now I want to specially bring on MSME. Please, Kavita ji, join us. And MSME उनके businesses के through यही movement वो लोग propagate कर रहे हैं कि पानी का बचावत करने के लिए. So thank you, and it shouldn't stop with just Holi. We should continue this every step of the way. I want to invite Dr. Bart Fisher all the way from Washington who especially come down, twice Nobel Prize nominee, one of the top attorneys in the world, also one of the key members of the National Press Club, Washington. Everybody, Dr. Bart Fisher.
Come center, sir. Come center. Come here, sir. Come in center. Come in center.
Come at center, sir.
Sir, come center, sir. Yeah. I'm talking English, sir.
Thank you. And with that, the array of stars and everyone, thank you, Parul, for bringing this beautiful group of people. Anilji, we welcome you. Please join us here. Please, everybody. We need people like this with heart. पैसा तो बहुत लोगों के पास होते हैं, but दिल भी तो होनी चाहिए कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए. And here we are having those people. Thank you for joining us. Now, one of the most beautiful and somebody who's a sister to me, Shivani Kashyap. Shivani, please join us. It's wonderful having you with us. And I want to call Akura. Aurora. I'm sorry, guys. I'm meeting Aurora for Aurora. Such a pleasure bringing the best of cultures, the Korean culture and our culture, and imbibing it. Aurora, thank you for being here. Everybody, give Aurora a big hand. It's Aura. I so apologize, Aura. I apologize to that. And now, Hansa, please join us, please. Shweta, please join us. Umesh, please join us. Ankita, please join us. Parul, please join
वो
us.
आपका लेंस
Please do.
थोड़ा पीछे
And
और
Neeraj,
नहीं
I want the whole group to be here.
Parul can't be.
Priyanka, please join us. These are the people who are bringing the value system up front. क्योंकि हम सब खेलते हैं, कल छोटी होली है, and I'm sure आप सब खेलेंगे. But ये मैसेज आज हम सबको देना चाहते हैं. होली खेलो, but वैल्यू से खेलो, ethically खेलो, और किसी को नुकसान मत पहुंचवा दो. And with that, I would like Anilji to say a few words.
Yes, Anil, sir.
मैं ही मिला इनको तुरंत.
Yes.
Well, guys, सबसे पहले आप मीडिया वालों को दिल से धन्यवाद to join us here for this noble cause. बिना आप लोगों के मैसेज कहीं नहीं पहुंच सकता है.
Thank you, sir.
Water, a very sensitive subject. मुझे कुछ लम्हे याद आ गए जो मेरे दादाजी मेरे से शेयर किया करते थे. This is about almost 36 years back. I still remember he telling me one fine day कि बेटा आने वाले दिन देखना पानी भी हिंदुस्तान में बिकेगा. और आज आप खुद देख लीजिए बिस्लरी यहाँ पार्टनर है आज. तो the other fact what he told me was जो next world war होगी वो पानी की वजह से होगी. और जो आलम अभी चल रहा है, जो समाज में माहौल चल रहा है, वो दिन दूर नहीं है जब ये शायद वर्ल्ड वॉर पक्का दिख रही है अपने सबको. तो लेट्स, एज राइटली सेड बाय संजना जी, लेट्स सेव वाटर टू द अटमोस्ट. बिना पानी के हम कुछ भी नहीं. एवरी ड्रॉप मैटर्स. Water is life. That's a core fact of life. So let's acknowledge to the utmost how important water is and take life forward. मैं कुछ देर पहले कह रहा था संजना जी को, हिंदुस्तान में अगर कोई सुधारा लाना है तो कोई ना कोई फाइन लेवी करना जरूरी है. मैम, मैंने आपसे भी जिक्र किया, nothing can be a better thought than this. आपके सामने एक उदाहरण दूंगा दोस्तों. I was in Bangladesh a week back. There are those rickshaw drivers there. It's manual rickshaws. You know, those people dragging that rickshaw through up to any destination you want. उसने एक सिग्नल तोड़ा. I was shocked to see the punishment he got. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? आप सिग्नल तोड़ते हो, you pay a fine and say goodbye. जब उसने सिग्नल तोड़ा, पुलिस कॉप ने उसको 4 डंडे से मारी उसको. That gave me a thought. ये लागू यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में होना चाहिए हम लोगों के लिए. अगर हम सिग्नल तोड़े तो वो पुलिस वाला हमको उतार के 4 डंडे मारे वहां पे. आप मानो सिग्नल कभी नहीं टूटेगा. This is what you keep learning every day. मैम इस पे जरूर गौर कीजिएगा कि किस तरीके से फाइन लेवी हो सकती है, बिकॉज वाटर इज एब्सोल्युटली प्रेशियस. हम आने वाली नस्लों को क्या फ्यूचर देंगे अगर पानी नहीं बचा पाए तो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी. थैंक यू सो मच.
I want to move on to somebody who has not just worked on water. Our H2O movement is walk for water, walk for life, and swap for life. That's because Dr. Fisher brings one of the largest movements for bone marrow registry with Give Life Foundation. So, please, this is amazing, the kind of work that you are bringing. A few words from you, Dr. Fisher.
Yes.
Great to be here. We need this holiday in America. This is something we should import. The Give Life Foundation promotes stem cell donation. The two pillars of life, one is water. Without water, you have no life. But also without stem cells, you have no life. Because stem cells produce blood of all types. Red cells, white cells, platelets, and you need that. And unfortunately, India does not have a bone marrow transplant registry that is viable, large, significant, and able to save so many lives. So I set this up 40 years ago in the United States. It's been very successful. We find a match if you say have leukemia or thalassemia or aplastic or sickle cell anemia. You need a match if your bone marrow doesn't work. It has to make cells. So we find the match, and we do it by just swab like that, and you're in the registry. So you can learn a lot from the swab. And what you learn also, you can learn DNA, genetics, and also marrow types. It's an amazing source of information. So what we're doing is we're going around the cities in India. We were just in Chennai, and we're going to Bangalore and Hyderabad, other places. And the purpose is to promote these twin pillars of life: water, as Sanjana, without water you don't have life, but also without stem cells you don't have life. So my goal is to get 80 million HLA marrow-type people in the registry in India. It's a big job. Now you have less than 6 million. And then take it to the world, because we have 5 million Indians in the United States, in the diaspora, in the U.S. We can have marrows going both ways. So it's a two-way street. We can help each other. And at the end of the day, it's a great tool for international relations and bilateral relations between the countries, the U.S. and India. And it's a way to build bridges. And we become blood brothers and blood sisters and one human family. And at the end of the day, we are one human family. Someone from Mars looking at this, people fighting, will think we're crazy. Just crazy. Why are we doing this? We're one human family. I've been all over the world. I've been to Cuba, I've been to China, and set these registries up in other countries. And I've said the same thing to the officials. We're all mothers and fathers, and let's just make our lives better and save our kids. So the organization in the United States is called Be the Match, and it's very famous, and you'll see it advertised all over. Well, that's what I set up 40 years ago, and it's worked. And something that works should be exported to India. This is an uncommon man, and he can do it. You can help us.
Looking forward.
That's good. We'll shake on that.
Well,
All right.
two great things together,
Thank you.
that's important. Thank you, Dr. Fisher. Whoever's joined us, please come up, because it's important to have you join us up here. Please come up, because you're part of the movement, and I want you please do. Well, you're here, please come up. And the people who are here, please come up, join us here. You are an integral part of the movement, and we want you to come and be the movement. So please come and join us. The reason why all of you, the media, आप लोग इतना ज़रूरत है क्योंकि मैसेज हम अब इधर पे थोड़े लोगों को पहुंच रहे हैं, लेकिन आप लोगों के माध्यम से ये सब लोग सुन सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं और कुछ बदलाव ला सकते हैं. तो प्लीज इस चीज में आप सब मिलके मदद कीजिए कि ये मूवमेंट हमारे देश के लिए, पानी के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा मूवमेंट बने. And Shibani, something from you on this.
So let's just give it up for this dynamic woman of substance, Sanjana John, and her amazing inspiring things that she keeps doing. So, we go back a very long way, and I know that, she's been, saving these animals. That endeavor of hers is so amazing. Whenever I've gone to her house in Gurgaon in Delhi, you know, at least 10 dogs, which are strays, she has actually kept them and she's looking after them in her house. They are her friends. And of course, now the Save This Water movement is, my gosh, it's imperative. It's the need of the hour because, yes, you know, we are running out of water. What will we do? So here's a wonderful initiative where we can play Holi without water, with flowers. I think kudos to you for this. Let's just take this ahead and let's put this everywhere on our posts so that everyone executes this and understands this and promotes this movement. Let's save water. Thank you.
Well, thank you guys. I want to welcome होली है और सबको जो है मैं welcome Priyanka. Can we put our main celebrated supporters of the movement? हम उनको यहाँ पे well, we're gonna start with Dr. Fisher. So everybody, happy Holi and welcome. Yes. So here we have Anji, welcome. If there's anybody in the crowd that I'm missing, please join us because I am kind of short-sighted. So please do join. Oh, yes.
That's what the Honorable Prime Minister said. One earth, one family.
Yes. Of course, of course.
Would you like to say something?
Yes, Parul, please.
Yes, Parul ma'am. Yes, Parul ma'am.
भाई लोग आप
सेंटर में आइए.
So I would request
Brother, पीछे देख के लो ना यार.
starting from Ankita to say a few words and please pass on the mic so that everyone contributes and gives us their value.
Before that, can you say something so that you know we get all kind of encouragement?
So, Dr. Sanjana, that's a lovely movement and we all are proud to be part of it and in any way we can contribute in our little way, we would love to do that.
Okay.
That
Thank you so
means
much.
a lot.
भाई
And I
रेड
just
शर्ट.
wanted
Parul ma'am
to
सेंटर में
know-
ही ना.
ओ रेड शर्ट.
वो साइड में रहती है भाई.
So I'm passing on the mic to Ankita to say a few words.
को भी कुछ नहीं मिल रहा.
Firstly, a big thank you for getting all of us together.
Ma'am सेंटर में ही ना.
I just feel it's so hard. Bombay is such a fast life. To come together for an initiative like this also takes effort. So firstly, thank you. Thank you always for coming and putting our words to the world. And I feel we are humans, we can still talk to each other and everything that we do has a repercussion. But animals, I feel more. And you should just see them. कभी ना आप लोग देखना हम होली, दिवाली, कोई भी चीज celebrate, just look at them. वो ना छुप जाते हैं. वो कहीं पर and you know they don't drink, they don't get water, they don't get food. So हम तो फिर भी बोल देंगे, you know, I got hurt, I'm not liking this, don't do this. We'll have a particular topic to talk about or give our expression towards it. But how, you know, we should, all of us just give one thought towards the animals and rest will follow. We are, at the end of the day, people who celebrate life. So we are going to celebrate Holi, but this time with flowers.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. You go, please. So,
So I'm just passing on the mic meanwhile so that we continue. We would like to say something.
Please come in center.
Thank you, Sanjana. First of all, she deserves the
Yes.
for the voice.
The bigger one.
Yeah. Yes. Look here. Yes.
So sorry for the voice, guys. It's the bad throat, but thank you for the initiative. It's a brilliant one. Everyone knows about the significance of Holi since years. We do use colors. People have got informed. Okay, just to introduce, this is Neeraj from Smooch, and that's the kombucha which we have come up with. And I'm glad that Sanjana is coming up with the intent of coming up with clean everything. Hence, what we are representing with this event and aligned ourselves to give us a clean, better water. Because right now, as Sir rightly mentioned, and as Sanjana's initiative comes, there is nothing on the shelf which is as clean. Even if I ask you everyone, think of one beverage which we can pick from the shelf, which is without any artificial flavors, colors, essence or preservatives. We can hardly pick anything except water. And that's the importance of water. As Sir rightly mentioned, let's save it,
Let's come up with some better initiatives. And thank you, Sanjana, once again, to call all of us and have this intent to join your in this noble moment.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you, Raj. Well, without Himanshu ji, we wouldn't be here. I have to tell you, the Hotels and Restaurant Federation, because they literally are taking this up in such a strong way. They have an event coming up in Delhi with the tourism minister on the 26th, and we are bringing forth sustainability. We are doing a special fashion event with curtains and bed covers that are being discarded from the hotels. We're creating a collection, and thanks to the federation, we will be presenting that in front of the minister and the top people of the country. But again, every person counts, and thank you for the federation coming to solve.
Coming forward and making this happen.
Thank you, Himanshu.
The press and all the dignitaries present. Thank you so much. 5 different sources of life, which are Dharti, Vayu, Jal, Akash, and water, fine. So it's one of them, of course, without which the existence of life would be inevident and would be marooned. So thank you so much, and thank you, Sanjana, and all the dignitaries for remaining present, and super. Happy Holi to everybody with flowers.
Thank you. Well, we can't miss you. There you go.
So, Precious Bunny, vote for Precious, and Happy Holi everyone!
Well, so short and sweet, to the point. Well, Kavita ji, MSME, again, they are coming on very strongly to support the movement, and I have to tell you, you have been integral in this, so a few words from you.
Thanks, Sanjana. Well, Sanjana and MSME Business Forum Association goes long back, and she's very dear to our heart. And definitely being into the government and the way we are pushing to the sustainability initiatives, encouraging and building capacity for the MSMEs into sustainability sector. That is one part. But when Sanjana came to us with her thought on Save Water, that is very noble, and rightly everyone said out here, water is going to be the next thing that we would be all fighting for. So even in our kitchens, ladies, even if we can just save a bottle of water, a bucket of water from an RO filter, that saves a lot of water. So I believe in 3 R's principle, which is not, this has been termed later on by the standardization organization, 3R principles, but this has been actually used by our grandmoms. Reuse, recycle, don't waste.
Yeah.
So let's get back to a tradition. And when there is a lot of chaos going around the world, I think, Sanjana, you have come up with a very brilliant idea. Holi in traditional way with the flower petals and something to look at the humanity and celebrate together out here.
No, I'm so glad that you are there supporting. And I just want you to know, वृंदावन में, मथुरा में, हर जगह पे फूलों वाली होली ही celebrate करते हैं. So it's a very special thing that we are able to. Please, I would say a filmmaker who I've seen getting awards in Mauritius, thank you for coming and supporting. We'd like you to say a few words as well. Please do.
Thank you so much, Sanjana. बहुत खुशी हो रही है, and really I feel very great to part of this event. थैंक यू सो मच. और अच्छे तरीके से होली खेलिए. कल छोटी होली है, परसों बड़ी होली है. अच्छे तरीके से खेलिए और पानी को सेव करिए. जिस तरीके से आज जिन लोगों ने जितनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें की, हमें सीखना चाहिए. और इस तरीके की होली, हम ये नहीं कहते कि आप जिस तरीके से इंडिया में होली मनाई जाती है मत खेलिए. खेलिए आप, लेकिन थोड़ा सा पानी को सेव करिए. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच.
Yeah, I'm really overwhelmed. This was a much needed initiative, and already हम लोग examples देख रहे हैं. South Africa has already, declared a water shortage, and as Anil ji very rightly mentioned that अगली war जो होगी वो हमारे resource के लिए होगी. So coincidentally, my web series has released on Disney Hotstar, and it's on the 5 elements, so which Sir just talked about. It's called The Power of Panch. So I am really overwhelmed and super happy that and honored to be a part of this. Thank you, Sanjana, for this moment, much needed, and thank you to our dear media members over here, because जैसे कहा गया कि आपके जरिए ही हम लाखों करोड़ों तक ये मैसेज पहुंचा सकेंगे। थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी होली।
Hansa and I think you guys, everybody, all of you are equally important.
To be honest, I'm very overwhelmed. There's so much beautiful energy flowing in this room at the moment, and I don't know. It's like huge kind of butterflies in my stomach at the moment. But having said that, I have to say first foremost, thank you for having me in this beautiful evening, Sanjana and Parul. And I love this intimate gathering, talking about one beautiful subject, which is water. And I tell as a spiritual person to a lot of people that whichever thing is alive, is breathing. Even the tree, even your plants, everything is breathing. And as a planetary thing, you can talk to your plants to strengthen your Mercury. And for emotions, you can talk to water if you're overwhelmed with your emotions. So it's just not that it's only for drinking, but for emotional well-being also you need water. So I am a water baby because of Pisces, and I just can't do without water. Even though it just makes me feel if there's no water on this earth, how it's gonna be? Because we all can't survive without water at all. So that's one thing, and this initiative is very important. I remember there was a time in the city called